Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Suma. I'm a consultant at 49 Fertility Center, Vijayawada. So we come across a few women who have amenorrhea, in the sense they don't get their menses and they still want to conceive. So is it possible to conceive once a woman stops getting her periods? So regular periods indicate that she has good number of eggs, she's ovulating regularly and hormonal changes are happening to which the uterus is responding and she's getting her regular menses. But even when a woman comes to us with amenorrhea, that is absence of menses, we can still try and give her treatment and get her pregnant. So normally a woman attains menopause at the age of around 45 to 50 years. Menopause indicates that her ovaries have depleted all their eggs and because there is no ovulation, there is no hormone production and she attains menopause. There are a few women who attain menopause before the age of 40 itself. So it's something called premature ovarian failure. Oocytes in the ovaries are depleted completely and they don't get their menses. So we have given treatment for even such patients where we give hormone replacement therapy. We make sure that they get menses regularly for a few months and then we proceed for a IVF embryo transfer. So we also come across a few women who have a smaller sized uterus and they don't get their menses. So even such women have hope for getting a pregnancy. We may give medications, hormone replacement therapy for 6 months and then we may proceed for a embryo transfer. So a normal size uterus has a capacity to expand to an extent that it can carry 2 or sometimes even 3 babies in the case of twin or a triplet. So a slightly smaller size uterus should definitely be able to carry a single baby. Sometimes it may not last up to term, but there is a possibility that there could be a preterm labor where the patient might end up in labor a few months, 1 or 2 months before the expected date of delivery. But considering the amount of neonatal facilities we have right now, definitely it is an option that you can consider. So knowing that there is a risk of preterm labor, you should be more cautious. You should go for more antenatal visits, but definitely there is an option of getting pregnancy. So irrespective of whether she has a smaller size uterus, irrespective of whether she's menstruating or not, there is still a hope of having pregnancy with an IVF. The problem with these patients who don't get their menses is usually that they don't have eggs. So we may have to opt for a donor egg and do an IVF and form an embryo and proceed for an embryo transfer. So we have seen so many such couples. Today itself we had a couple who was 47-year-old who's been married for 25 years. She's not been getting periods for more than 2 years now and we were able to get through her pregnancy and now she's 5th month carrying twins. For every problem there is a solution. If you are anybody who is having these problems and are considering treatment, please do consult and we are sure we'll be able to help you out. Thank you.